Hi Asad, I am Biplav speaking. Here you see the file is the new supplier Bradley Colwell. After sort out, then I got this one product, and that is also 2-pack. So this product also deleted from here. So finally there I have no product actually. I discussed with Rabbi, and he also checked over here, and he also same result got. So that is the main issue actually. I show you my work detail. You send me this sheet about this supplier, and from here I got this sheet and download this one, and then got this file, and here also a instruction from you, and then I sort out n and deleted from this file, and then submitted this file to UPC. After submitted and then got this file after working over here, and then I got this file. So that is the main issue actually. If you want to check on this file, then you can do that. So thank you.